Hello friends. So today we will talk about how to give order on Flipkart or Flipkart. So I hope that you all wants to give order on Flipkart. Someone's new to give order or someone's don't know it. So this video is for them who don't know to give it order on Flipkart. So I hope that you will like my video. So please like, share with your friends who don't know to give order on Flipkart and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Then you can get all the information of the videos that I will send and you will get the videos first. So let's start. First, upon we have to download Flipkart. I am here downloading already the Flipkart. But if you are not downloading the Flipkart, then go to the Play Store and download the Flipkart. Then click on Flipkart. If you are coming first time in Flipkart, then they will ask you to give your mobile number, email address, phone number, and many things. So you give your email, phone number, your name, your password. You have to give it, and then you can come to the Flipkart, and here it will become like that. So you go to the search option. After going to the search option, here are many options. So suppose I want a Barbie doll. So suppose I am here giving, but which one you want, that one only you search it. And suppose I am giving a Barbie doll. So I have to type here Barbie doll. Barbie doll. Okay. So here Barbie doll is coming. So now we will go to search. After going to the search, there will become like that. So suppose I like this one and I want to buy it. So suppose you want to buy this one or this one. If many things you can buy it, but which one you like it, that one you buy it. So suppose that one I was liking it and I want to buy it. So then there will be like that, it will become, and then there will become like that. Here will become photos, but here my one is now not having a net, proper net. That's why it's becoming late to give photos. But if you are getting a proper net, then you will get here a photos. And if you will go like that side corners, if you will go, then you can get many information. And if you want to get more information, then you can go to the down option. After going to the down option, here will become like that. And here also there will be highest, middle, made of plastic. Yep. Here will become ages also, and here is come the height also, weight also. Everything there will become, and here are photos. So if you want to see photos, then you can go to here and you can see the photos. Now it's not coming, but if you will have a proper net, then you can see the photos. And if you want to look the comment that what do the people gives to the Flipkart of these things, then you can go more down and you can get here many comments. So now if you want to see that how many stars that the Flipkart people who are buying this product, how many stars they give 44.2 stars. So that means it is nice only, but not that much nice. And if there will be given 2.1, 3.2, then it will be not a nice product. But if you will see that it's given 5.3, 6.4, then you will know that it's a nice product. But if you want more information, then you can go to down what I have said you, that when you look and you can get more information. So now we will look that how to buy this. Here is two options, add to cart and buy now. So the better thing is going to the buy now. So after going to the buy now, here will become like that option. So here then will come order summary. So after coming order summary, you will click on continue. Here will come continue option. You will go to continue option, and after going to the continue option, what do you have to do? Here will become like that, and here will become payments, and after going to the payments, here will become like that. So here will become any option, but you go to cash on delivery. After going to cash on delivery, you do place order. After doing to place order, here will be given the number. You have to type the same number, which number is given here. Here given 135. So we will type here 1, 3 and 5. After typing the same number, but now it's given 135, and but which number will give there for you, that you have to buy that things. Then you have to uh, type only that number only which is given here up. And then I don't want to do this order, but I am only showing you to just show that how to do order on Flipkart. Then you go to confirm order. After clicking on confirm order, here will become confirm order option. You click to confirm order option. You can see in the screen that here is confirm order option also given. So you go to the confirm order option and you click it, and then your order will be confirmed, and here will be giving that in which day that the order will become. So you click on confirm order. So thank you friends. Thank you friends to look my video, and I want to tell you again one thing that was I forgot to tell you. So now I am telling you sorry friends, because I am telling you now. So that time I was showing you this video only, no? So if you want to see that how many are left, so here will be, if in downside there will be unavailable product, so you will look that it's an unavailable product. So now and if there will be given hurry, only 1, 2 or few left, like that it will be give. So it means that there are not a much product, so you have to buy it quickly. Otherwise you can't give it, because it can be, because it has chance to be unavailable offer. So thank you friends